$45.6 million has just been sold on Binance. Now, what does this mean for the future of XRP? Well, before we dive into that, guys, I want to introduce myself to you. My name is George Lee, and I am the new face on the Bull Runners channel. I'm so excited to be here, and I hope that eventually you can become comfortable with the research I give you and we can have a good time together. Now, I was serving in the British Army for 12 years before I fell into the crypto space. By luck, a friend told me about crypto, didn't really understand what it was. But unlike other people that just buy and sell and get into things off word of mouth, I actually started to research the crypto space. Since then, I've been able to grow a 6-figure portfolio, and I will be honest, mainly in XRP. Okay, this is by far my favorite bag that I hold, and I've researched ways that you can kind of filter through the stuff that people just say for hype and the stuff that really does affect the markets. So during the time on this channel, I'm going to give you as much information as I can, and I will only give you the information that I have thoroughly researched, and I will either be buying into or selling, and I will be honest all the way through. Now, guys, I run a successful charity in Bali, so majority of my day is out helping the locals, doing what's right for people, giving back, and the rest of the day is spent behind this computer researching to give back to you. So I'm very excited about this journey. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about this journey too, all right? There is other presenters on this channel that do an absolutely incredible job, and combining us all together, I truly think you can get one of the best opinions in the crypto space for what you should do next. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes. Guys, I do this for fun, and I also do this to try and make myself some money and grow my portfolio. Now, please do not let any opinions that I say affect you in such a way that you go and invest your savings or your house capital or you remortgage something based on purely just believing in me. I'm just going to give you the tools to research it yourself. Now, I'm going to give you some really cool tools, especially one at the end if you click the link down below, where you can actually discover how to earn more crypto in less than 10 minutes per day with the #1 XRP game. Now, during this video, I'm going to be talking about a lot of information, including that big statement I made of 45.6 million XRP being sold on Binance and what that means. But we're going to be starting off going back a few days. Going back to July 21st, we're going to be talking first about this speech that Trump made. And the reason we're going to be doing it is because he claimed that Elon Musk actually gave him $45 million a month as donations. Then moving through to why Elon Musk, okay, and this is a couple of days later, has not sold any of his Bitcoin this whole quarter. And Elon Musk then denying giving Trump this money. Now, you'll understand more when I go in detail why I'm going through this timeline of a few days ago to 3 days ago to 2 days ago, because then going through to when Elon Musk says he does not donate anything, but does allocate with the super PAC, moving in to the most important part of this timeline, Bitcoin dumping. All right, Bitcoin dipped after this address, and I truly believe it's due to this whole timeline of events that happened. Then we're going to be moving on, guys, to Elon himself giving a promo to Doge. People are saying it's not a promo. People are saying it is. I'm going to let you watch it and make a decision for yourself and how that affected the altcoin market. Now, I truly believe that the two most influential people in the crypto space are Donald Trump and Elon Musk, and when they go at it like this, it does affect the market in a way that if we understand, we can benefit from it. Now, the altcoin total market cap is what I'll be speaking about after that, and showing you that there is a pattern formed which could really benefit everybody right now if you be sensible in your investments. Okay, and then getting into the big statement I made of 45.6 million XRP. Withdrawal stuns the largest crypto exchange, Binance, guys, and we know when this happens, it can only mean one or two things, and I want to go into what I truly think it's going to mean. I'm then going to show you a video of the Ripple chief legal officer, okay, talking about breaking down the assets and regulation of crypto. All right, the US is lagging behind, and we can see all the information I spoke about at the start with Elon Musk and Donald Trump going back and forward about different things affecting the crypto market, when in fact, Europe, as it seems, hearing from the chief legal officer at Ripple, are starting to really advance in the crypto sector. How this has affected XRP in general, okay, especially with that 45.6 million sell-off. Okay, we're going to speak about the chart and how it is, and then going into, of course, how you can discover to earn more crypto in less than 10 minutes with that link down below. There is also some videos to explain this fully to you. So guys, if you're excited for this video, give me a 777 in the comments. That's not going to just make me feel great. It's going to let me know that you are actually listening to this whole video, finding the research, and hopefully getting some value from this. So my introduction's over. I've told you what we're going to speak about. Now's time to start listening. Let's get straight into this with the video, what Trump said about Elon Musk.
But Elon endorsed me the other day, and I didn't even know this, he didn't even tell me about it, but he gives me $45 million a month. A month. Not 45 million. Gives me 45 million a month. And I talked to him just a little while ago to say I was coming here, how you doing? And he didn't even mention it. He didn't mention. I mean, other guys, they give you $2 and you got to take them to lunch. You got to wine them, dine them.
So Trump is openly saying on July 21st, and I know this is not new news for you, that Elon Musk is giving $45 million a month to the campaign. And that actually helped, in my opinion, crypto start moving in a direction that was positive. Then straight after, I found research on July 24th, which is 3 days later, that Elon Musk actually has not sold any of his Bitcoin in Q2 2024. This doesn't mean that he's still not donating, but this started to give me a little inkling, thinking, well, if Elon Musk is not giving any of his crypto away, does that mean he's just giving $45 to Trump? Well, maybe. Maybe he is just donating out the good of his heart. So I started to research into it more, and 2 days ago, Elon Musk denied reporting $45 million a month pledge to Trump, says he doesn't subscribe to the cult of personality. That made more sense to me because I don't think Elon Musk, being the smart guy he would just give out his US dollars when he has an incredible amount of crypto. So going further into this, it actually quoted, what's been reported in the media is simply not true. Musk said, I am not donating $45 million a month to Trump. The Wall Street Journal first reported on the claim, citing sources familiar with the matter. The outlet has not yet issued a retraction or follow-up article altering its report. But it doesn't end there, guys. Musk did note that he created a super PAC called the America PAC to help support Trump. A super PAC is a group that can raise unlimited amounts of money for a campaign's independent expenditures. Now, such for ads or for day-to-day operations, but it does not donate directly to the campaign. So they have become prominent among both Democrats and Republicans since 2010 DC appeals the court decision that authorized the existence of the super PACs. For a normal PAC, donors are limited to gifts of only $5,000 a year. So Elon is not denying that he is setting up protocols to help the Trump campaign. He's just denying the huge claim of giving $45 million a month. So what did that do? In my opinion, if we go now to today's timeline, we're at July 28th, which I'm in Bali right now, so you might be a day ahead or a day behind. Bitcoin price dips as Trump addresses the crypto audience. So let me just put this into a little bit more perspective. 5 days ago, Trump got onto stage and said, Elon Musk has given me $45 a month. And what happened? Bitcoin price was starting to move up. Then, going through the timeline I showed you of Elon Musk denying it, now Trump's next speech, at the Bitcoin convention, everyone's now realized that Elon Musk did not say that he would donate that or has not pledged that. Bitcoin has started to drop a little. I think, and I believe truly, that Elon Musk has made Bitcoin go lower. And only because people were going to rally up with Trump. I don't think because it's just him, because Elon was backing him. Now that we know he's not, people just are not trusting the fact that Donald Trump can actually bring Bitcoin to where it needs to be. Now, again, this is only my opinion. And what I want to do, guys, is give you as much of my opinion as I can so you can go and research it. Maybe I even spur you on. Maybe I say the wrong thing and you think, I'm going to go and research this myself. But before you go and research it, guys, make sure you follow on with this video because Elon Musk here is saying just earlier this morning, I'm not going to be promoting crypto at most in a joking way. If you see me pumped in crypto, it's not me, He's basically claiming here that he is not doing anything to affect the market, like I just spoke about my opinion. I do think there's merit in Bitcoin, maybe some of the crypto. So maybe if we see Bitcoin start to rise tomorrow, my theory is correct. And I've sort of got a soft spot for Dogecoin. So I want to, two things. I want you to watch this video. The second thing I want you to do is let me know in the comments if you think this was a purposely planned promotion of Dogecoin.
I mean, I see half the time I feel like I turn up YouTube and, they're taking an interview from you and then you're randomly mentioning Bitcoin and...
Oh, man.
Or I've seen interviews of us, like people are messaging us from our interview back in May of 2022, and they're live streaming it like it's happening live. I'm like, wow, I look different 2 years ago with longer hair. It's like, but it's you talking and you're randomly, the Bitcoin, reel is going on the bottom. So what are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to be promoting crypto. So if at most in a joking way, but if you see me pumping crypto, it's not me. So I mean, I do think there's some merit in Bitcoin and maybe some of the other crypto, and I sort of have a soft spot for Dogecoin because I just like dogs and memes. But yeah, I don't know. On the X platform, there's pretty quickly things get community noted, or there's in the replies people say, "Hey, this is not real." So I think I don't know. We can work to try to have community notes surface faster, and also if similar videos are popping up, that the community note gets appended to any kind of similar video. But I think it's definitely always one should be cautious about search for crypto. I would double check whether that is real.
So you can clearly hear Elon Musk saying he's not pumping crypto, he's not promoting crypto, doing anything to make crypto move up or down. And if you think he is, do the research. So I did the research just as you saw, and I went days before, and I still think Elon Musk is throwing these hidden, especially in this video, guys. I like dogs and memes. I don't think it's mistake or coincidence when he does things like this. I think Doge, and I'm going to show you why I think this when we go to crypto bubbles, I think Doge gets a rise now because Elon Musk again mentioned it. You can see here 7.5% in the last month. Guys, I don't think, I'm not trying to promote a conspiracy here, guys, I promise you. And it's not news to you that when Elon Musk says something, it affects the market. But I truly think that the whole story of Elon Musk with Donald Trump and Bitcoin, I think together, maybe in the background, can help pump Bitcoin to where we need it to be. And I truly hope it does. I'm not trying to sit here and say this should not be happening. I am all for crypto. So trust me, if they're working something and trying to put this kind of beef in the papers or what's going on, it's good for crypto. I'm all about it. Just like this little mention of Doge. So guys, this is not financial advice, but I will say to you that this interview with Elon Musk just came out about saying, he likes Dogecoin. I've got a good feeling that 7.5% is not going to be the height of what Doge is going to grow in the next coming days, okay? Let's see what I think. Maybe I'll do a review on that too. Now, altcoins in general, guys, okay, the market is looking very, very healthy. And that's because there is a pattern occurring here. So you can see from Ash Crypto here saying buying alts now would be the best trade for easy 10x gains in the next 6 to 12 months. The reasons being altcoin market cap is testing major support levels, okay, along with ETF trading starting on July 23rd. The altcoin capitulation happened in the recent dip, okay, and massive altcoin season coming. Now, I love this because when you actually look at this pattern is perfectly played out. 2018 top. Okay, that is where we saw. Then, of course, the retracement started to come down, and we saw this tiny consolidation at the bottom of our support, moving up to the 21 top, okay? And then we've seen the exact same pattern. The exact same pattern, guys, all right? And for those of you that are not traders or don't even know how to look at a chart, it's absolutely fine. Again, my opinion and people's opinions shouldn't alter the way that you invest, but patterns are renowned for finding ways to engage in investing. What that means is charts will always have patterns. That's how people become traders. And this pattern right here is telling me that altcoins are going to see a top between the end of 24 and 25. Now, it could be later on in 2025, I'm not sure. But I know for sure by the end of this year, we are going to start seeing the rally going up. And when I say I know for sure, again, that is just in my mindset of what I think is going to happen. Guys, I really, really do think altcoin season is about to flourish. All right. And I think if you want to get invested in altcoins, now would be, in my opinion, the best time for you to do that. And you can see just again on Crypto Bubble, some of the craziest altcoins, meme coins going high. All right, XRP at 28.2%, Jupiter at 49.1%, Sol at 35%. This is just for the month. HNT 47%, OM 63%. If we go to the hour, guys, you can see some gains. Look at this, Jasmine at 2.5% just in the last hour, Jupiter up another 1.4%, Bonk up 1.4%, Doge up 0. And again, I think this is because of Elon's interview, 0.8%. It's going crazy, guys. So if this pattern plays out, it could be a very, very profitable portfolio for anyone getting involved. Now into the juicy part that everyone's been waiting for. 45.6 million XRP withdrawal stuns a large crypto exchange in Binance. Now, I don't want you to freak out. When I first read this, I thought, oh my God, is someone trying to sabotage my portfolio? Don't want you to freak out, okay? Because it's a quick look at the price. We can see we're actually doing okay. All right, over the 7 days, we're still up 2%. Now, what does this mean? Two anonymous whales that have withdrawn 22,891,710 and 22,814,856 XRP from the world's biggest cryptocurrency platform in terms of daily volume, Binance, together that total approximately 45.6 million XRP. And that's evaluated at $27.1 million worth. You can see here, all right, the actual transaction, okay, transferred from Binance to unknown wallets. Now, guys, this literally just happened in the last 2 days. This could be a sign of crypto whales reassuming their XRP buying spree that has somewhat become less active recently. However, additional data shared by XRP Focus Explorer BitHump show that both wallets to which the millions of XRP were transferred are related to Binance. Therefore, these staggering XRP movements have proved to be fund reshuffling undertaken by Binance. So guys, when I freaked out this morning looking at both of these transactions, I went straight to my portfolio to see if I am now bankrupt, and I'm not. And like I said, the XRP is absolutely fine. So I want to be rest assured, guys, that if anybody sees this popping up in the news, in fact, when we dive deeper into this, Binance are reshuffling this money. Now, I do not know why Binance need to reshuffle the biggest amount of XRP they have, but for some reason, they have. And I can see purely by the chart, there has not been a huge red candle. So it's not affecting us in any way. So everybody can be rest assured that we are still good. Now, XRP in general, guys, is my favorite token. I said that in my introduction. And the reason is because I am a European. Okay, I'm not in the US. And I truly think that in Europe, we see a different version of XRP than the US does. I'm not saying that everyone in the US sees XRP in a bad way, but just like going to this recent tweet where I'm going to show you, okay, the video from European University Institute, the EU is holding the key to unlocking the new regulatory framework that the crypto sector needs. And the chief legal officer at Ripple actually breaks this. And I want you to watch this so I can explain what I'm trying to say to you.
So I think when it comes to regulating new technology, it's important that you don't regulate the technology, because policymakers will never move as quickly as the technology is developing, and policymakers will never fully understand the technology. So I think it's important to look at the activity and the outcomes of the application of the technology. And what are the risks of the activity and the outcomes of the application of the technology? And that's what we should be regulating. Same risk, same regulatory outcomes. So again, if you're dealing with crypto, you have crypto intermediaries, you have crypto innovators, you have crypto software developers. What are they doing? What's the risk that they are creating? And how do we solve for the risks through policymaking rather than trying to get into the technology itself and regulate the technology?
So there you go, guys, listening to Auditory talking about this, all right, breaking down crypto assets regulation, because the US, as he says, is lagging behind, and the EU could hold the key to this. And as a European myself, I kind of see the different phases when I look at my Twitter feed at different ones than an American would, in my opinion. Again, and obviously this is in his opinion, but with the European University Institute and the episodes, you can go and watch more on this, okay? This is just a 1-minute sneak peek of this, talking all about the framework of the crypto sector and what it needs. Very, very interesting to me, guys. And like I said, I'd like to do research that goes beyond just reading a Twitter feed saying, hey, XRP is going to go to $100. I like to really know what exactly is happening in the world of XRP and Ripple. Okay, price is doing very, very good, guys. But my most exciting part of this video and any video I'm going to bring out to you very, very soon is the link down below, and that is discovering how to earn more crypto in less than 10 minutes per day with the #1 XRP game. I just went through the process of this, and I am doing very, very well earning that crypto and getting rewarded in XRP. Once you've clicked this button and you put your email in here, guys, you're going to get access to this incredible value where the legend himself, Nick, will explain to you his reward journey inside of this game and exactly what it's done for his portfolio. And my very, very good friend Austin, who's one of the most knowledgeable men in the XRP world, in my opinion, is going to be speaking exactly how you can get your XRP wallet and get involved with this game. Guys, this game is absolutely insane, all right? So what I need you to do is put your email in there, watch all these videos, and get involved very, very soon if you want to get rewarded in XRP. So guys, from me, that is it today. I want you to be absolutely certain that everything I gave to you today is my research, okay? Nobody's telling me to put this out there. Everything that I research, I do myself, and I'll never put anything on this channel that I don't truly believe is good for this community. So I'm super excited to be here, guys. I'm gonna bring it out at least one video a day if I can. So I hope that you guys can feel comfortable with me getting involved in the bull runners. So guys, crypto is the future. We say that every single day, and I'm going to say it every single video because I'm so excited. XRP is what I'm praying to start moving out of the triangle zone it's in right now and making all of us happy. I want nothing more than to be sat here tomorrow on the video saying, we did it. XRP is at $10. But again, I won't say that until I truly believe or it does hit that $10 mark. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. Okay, remember to hit that link down below if you want to start getting some rewards in XRP for playing the #1 crypto game on the XRP ledger. I'm so excited about this journey with you. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified the next time I bring a video out or anyone on the channel does. Have a fun time, guys. Stay safe in the markets, and I'll see you there.